Null set. Null set is a part of sets. We represent null set like this, where there is no element. It's empty. For example, let's suppose A is a set of a natural number between 12 and 13. Is it possible there is any number between 12 and 13 natural number? No. So in this case we represent this, there are not any element, and we represent this blank, and null set is represented by this sign. So finally we can say a set with no element is called null set and represented by sign this. Let's take another example. Let's suppose A is a set of a number that is x, which is not equal to its own number. It's called x. Is it possible a number is not equal to its own number? 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, and 3 is equal to 2. So this is at all not possible, that a number is not equal to its own. So in this case we will represent this set like this. This is the example of null set. I hope this video will help you in understanding null set. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button for notification update. Thank you. Have a nice day.